Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel today. Especially, I want to show this video to those of the people who are using other companies of hosting and want to migrate. And I will suggest you to migrate your hostings to Kinsta Hostings because it's the fastest one. And using this hosting, you will be really benefited. And now I will show you how to migrate the free WordPress migrations, how to use free WordPress migrations, and there is no downtime here. Here, the experts of this Kinsta migrations team migrate this one, multiple, or all of your WordPress sites for you. Just sign up, request your migrations, and they will take care of everything. So migrating to Kinsta is really free, fast, and easy. And it takes only three steps, and is sign up, migration request, and migration request. Then it will be completely migrated. And from the first work is sign up. Create You have to create your account by choosing the plan and the best fits and needs, and get access to the My Kinsta dashboard. Uh, if you want to go to the My Kinsta dashboard, then you have to sign up for free, and it's a hassle free, and it will ask you just your password and the email number. Then here is the sign up button. You will be able to sign up here, and then request your migrations. Provide a few details including your preferred migration schedule, and submit your migration request in MyKinsta. And then relax, easily monitor the status of your migration in MyKinsta. And we will it means the Kinsta authority will let you know as soon as it's complete. You will be able to test your new site and Kinsta before it goes live. So if you in a hurry, sign up now and get your site migrated in 8 hours. It will take only 8 hours to migrate your hosting to Kinsta. What you get when you move to Kinsta? The Kinista's house in expert migration team. Our full they've said that their full expert migration team will handle your migration from start to finish, making your migration experience a breeze. So, is it a free malware cleanup? Yes. Here is a submit your migration request with complete peace of mind. If we detect malicious code during the migration, our malware removal specialist will clean your sites for free. You decide which sites you migrate and when. Choose to migrate one, a few, or all of your sites. Then pick your preferred migration schedule, ASAP, or scheduled on a specific date. So if uh, if you want to change your, or if you want to migrate, just you have to decide which sites and when you will migrate it. And then immediate performance boost. The customers who migrate to Kinsta experience instant speed improvements of up to 200% and additional performance gains. Get access to features and tools designed to make your site uh, just lightning fast. And there is an other privilege that enterprise grade security. The sites hosted at Kinsta are secured behind Kinsta Firewall, Google Cloud Firewall, and Cloud Air Enterprise DDoS protection. And there is another privileges is that My Kinsta is packed with an extensive list of powerful site management features and tools that will save you time and money. So you can explore here all of the features. Here is the unmatched migration experience and support. Kinsta was exactly what we were looking for in a performant customer support centric WordPress host as we scale up our site under management. Here are some comments. Kevin Wagstaff, founder at Spectra, Launch Press, marketeer, CDO. Here they're the supporters. And here's the frequently asked questions. Here, will there be any downtime when migrating my sites? There, the answer is there will no downtime during the whole migration process, and our expert migration team will take care of your migration for you and provide you with all the information needed to point your domain at your newly migrated site to ensure a seamless transition. And how long will it take to migrate? It, if you don't select a specific date to migrate your website, our expert migrations team will complete it as soon as possible, usually within 2 business days. You can easily monitor the status of your migration in MyKista, and you will get notified when it's complete. So the another question is the migration process automated? Here the answer is all Kinsta migrations are handled by our migrations teams made up of real expert team members whose full-time responsibility is successfully migrating our WordPress websites to Kinsta. Once the migration process is complete, you will just need to update your DNS to the point at Kinsta to go live. If you prefer a DIY approach, we provide detailed documentation to assist you in migrating your sites manually. We generally recommend that you let our expert migrations team take care of migrating your site for you. We'll even help you take your site prior to going live. That's awesome. There are many questions here that is needed for you. So ready to migrate? It's really free, and let your migration experts take care of your file of that for you. Uh, if you want to migrate for free, here is the button. You can click here or talk. You can also talk to the supporter teams here. So uh, I think Krista is the best hosting in the world, and it's secured and fast. That's the website holders want. So if you want to take this hosting, you can try it. Thank you for watching my videos.